Hi y'all, so this is the unboxing of my Little Helpers diapers trial. I ordered 2 diapers, so let's see what's in here. So it comes wrapped in tissue paper, and then open it up. I'm not sure what this is, let's see. This was an extra that they put in. I'm not sure what it is. I'll have to look on their website and see what it is. And then there's 1 diaper and 2. That's cute. That's really cute. So each diaper comes, I can't get over how cute this is. Okay, so each diaper comes with 2 inserts, charcoal inserts, like so. They're already prepped and ready to use, and they just snap into each other, which I'm really excited to try. I've only used pocket diapers so far, so I'm super excited to try these, and I hope that I love them, because if I do, I will be stocking up. So I paid in US, I believe it was $24.95 for 2 trial diapers. So let's see. Inside this diaper, there is a thank you note, some chocolates. Yeah. So let's see. So there's the thank you note. You are the bomb. And then inside it comes with some teas. Thank you so much for giving Little Helper a shot. If you have a moment, please leave us a review on Facebook. Let us know if we can do anything else for you. Thanks again, Mohammed. So these little things, I mean, not just the freebies, that's not why, but I have watched reviews on this company, and I'm blown away with their customer service. It's top notch, out of this world. Everybody has the same experience. Amazing, amazing customer service. And I just love the science behind these diapers. So the charcoal is antimicrobial, and I'm just super excited. 2 stay dry inserts. Let's see what it says. It's supposed to keep your kids from getting rashes too. It's especially good for sensitive children, which I'm excited about because my son is super sensitive. So I'm excited to try these, and when I do, I will try them for a little bit, and then I will do another review with how we liked them. So you'll be hearing from me again. Thanks.